Hello students, welcome to class 4, subject English text, story The Abraham Prize. Now, first of all you will see the characters of the story. Now in this story, here two boys are there, one is Waichoy, another one is Yankee. Then third one is teacher and other is old man. These four characters are there in this story. Now I am going to explain you the story. So listen carefully. So this is a story about two boys, Waichoy and Yinky. Their teacher told in class that on next Tuesday we are having a special exam of English. Now student, in our school also, yes, I am saying you that now next Thursday is your test. We are saying yes, each Thursday we are taking your test. Yes. So same way in their school also they are taking test on Tuesday. So teacher given information. Okay. So then teacher told we are having a special exam of English. So many years ago one boy, his name was William Abraham. He studied in this school only and became a doctor. He used to give the prize to the student who gets the highest marks in special English exam every year. It was a Tuesday morning and all the students were ready for the exam. The teacher gave them 1 hour to complete 20 questions and said nobody should cheat in exam. The students began to write the exam. Wai Choi picked his pencil and started to write. He easily completed the first 15 questions. Then a piece of folded paper came on his desk. He looked around. He saw his classmate Yinky beating his pen and looking at him. Biting his pen and looking at him. Waichoy opened that note. He read it. Was written that what is the answer to question 11. Waichoy looked angrily at Yinky and shook his head, and he folded the note and threw it back on him. When he threw immediately, the teacher saw him and asked, "What are you doing?" He walked towards him and picked up the note from Yinky's desk. He opened the note and read and told that already he informed not to cheat. Give me your paper and leave the classroom. He will not allow Waichoy to write the exam. He went out with tears in his eyes. He sat on his bicycle and rode very slowly with his head down. So he crashed with an old man. Both of them fell down. Waichoy said that he was very upset and did not notice that somebody coming in his way. The old man replied, "That is all right." Waichoy helped him to get up. The old man thanked him and asked why he was not in the school. So he replied that I was sent out of the classroom for a mistake that he had not done. What had happened in the class? The old man heard quietly for a while and asked, "Why, Choi? Can he prove that the note was not his?" While talking with the old man, Wai Choi noticed a large pen in the old man's pocket. Wai Choi loudly shouted and said, yes, he can prove that he did not write that note. Vaichoy rode his bicycle as fast as like wind and went back to the school. When he entered the classroom, his teacher was checking the exam papers. He told sir he did not cheat in exam. That note was written with a pen and he always used pencil. And sir, you can check the handwriting in the note and sir, he had already answered question 11. The teacher checked his paper and the note. When it was proved that the note was not his, the teacher felt sorry for the same and he allowed Vaichoy to sit down and complete the exam. Now children, do you think got the highest got the highest mark in the exam? According to me, it is Vaichoy who get the highest mark. On school day, when he went to take his prize from Dr. Abraham, he was surprised. Why? Because the old man he had knocked down with his bicycle, he was Dr. Abraham. Children, do you know? Do you remember that day when Vaichoy got knocked down with an old man? This old man was Dr. Abraham. Okay. Now, narration of the story. After narrating the story, I will explain you a question. So, listen carefully. Next Tuesday, we are going to have a special examination in English, said the teacher. Many years ago, there was a boy at this school called William Abraham. That boy completed school and became a teacher. Now every year, Dr. Abraham gives a prize to the student who gets the highest mark in a special English exam. On Tuesday morning, everyone was ready for the exam. You have to answer 20 questions in 1 hour, the teacher said. And remember, you must not cheat. The students began to do the exam. Vaichoy picked up his pencil and began to write. He easily finished the first 15 questions. Just then a piece of folded paper landed on his desk. Vaichoy looked around. He saw one of his classmates, Yinky, biting his pen and looking at him. Vaichoy opened the note. He read, what is the answer to question 11? Vaichoy looked angrily at Yinky and shook his head. He folded the note and threw it back. What are you doing, Vaichoy? The teacher asked. He walked up and picked up the note from Yinky's desk. He read it and said, I told you not to cheat. Give me your paper and leave the classroom, Vaichoy. I can't let you finish the exam. Vaichoy walked out with tears in his eyes. He got on his bicycle and rode very slowly along the road with his head down. And before he knew it, he had crashed into an old man. Both of them fell down. I am very sorry, sir, Vaichoy said. I wasn't looking. That's all right, said the old man. Let me help you get up, said Vaichoy. Thanks, but tell me, why are you not in school? Asked the old man. I was sent out of school, sir, Vaichoy said. Soon he was telling the old man all about Yinky's note. The old man listened patiently. Can you prove to your teacher that you didn't write the note? He asked. Just then, Vaichoy noticed a large pen in the old man's pocket. Oh, yes, I can prove that I didn't write that note, he cried. Vaichoy rode as fast as the wind back to school. When he entered the classroom, his teacher was marking the exam papers. Sir, I didn't cheat in the exam, said Vaichoy. That note was written with a pen and I always use a pencil. In fact, I don't have a pen. If you look at the handwriting in the note, sir, you will see that it's not my handwriting. In any case, I had already answered question 11. The teacher checked Vaichoy's answer paper and the note. He said, I am very sorry, Vaichoy. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. Now sit down and complete the exam. Who do you think got the highest mark in exam? Vaichoy, of course. On school day, when Vaichoy walked up to receive his prize from Dr. Abraham, he was pleasantly surprised. Dr. Abraham was the old man he had knocked down with his bicycle. Now I am asking you question. So number 1, which day the exam was held? The exam was held on Tuesday. Next question, who was the boy? The boy was William Abraham. Next, how many questions were asked in 1 hour? 20 questions were asked in 1 hour. Who easily finished the first 15 questions? Vaichoy easily finished the first 15 questions. Next question, who was biting the pen? Yinky was biting the pen. Next question, who picked up a note and what was written on that note? Vaichoy picked up note and in that written, what is the answer of question 11? Next, why was Vaichoy angry on Yinky? Yinky threw the paper on Vaichoy, so Vaichoy was angry. Next question, what did the teacher tell Vaichoy? The teacher told Vaichoy, give me your paper and leave the classroom. Next question, how did he ride his bicycle on the road? He rode his bicycle very slowly with his head down. Next question, with whom did he crash? He crashed with an old man. Next question, what did the old man ask Vaichoy? The old man asked Vaichoy, why was he out of the school? Next, what did Vaichoy notice? Vaichoy noticed a large pen in the old man's pocket. Next, why did he shout? He shouted because he can prove that he did not write that note. Next question, what did Vaichoy see when he entered to the school again? He saw that his teacher was marking the exam papers. Next, how did he prove himself? He told his teacher that he did not cheat in the exam because he always used a pencil, not a pen, and that the note was written with pen. Next question, did the teacher allow Vaichoy to give exam again? Yes, the teacher allowed Vaichoy to give exam again. Next question, who was that old man whom he knocked with his bicycle? That old man was Dr. Abraham, whom he knocked with his bicycle. Thank you.